Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you all to this video. So on today's video, I will be teaching you guys or showing you guys another perfect strategy that works absolutely well. Okay guys, so before we go in, I would like to highlight some things. I would like to highlight some things very important. So listen up guys. At first, setting your screen is very important, like one of the most important things. Okay, setting up your screen is very important. So now listen, we have three ways of setting this, but there is only one way of setting it right. Okay, once you don't set it right, you will always have what we call losing trades. Okay, that's when people complain that, oh, this indicator is actually lagging. Okay, this indicator is actually this and that, not knowing that the fault is from you yourself. You are the fault. Okay, so listen up right here. This is how you can actually set it up. At first, you don't need to be at this end and you don't need to be at this very front. Okay, what you need to do is to place it right here in the middle. Place it in the middle. Let it be in the middle like this. Okay, then leave it. So that's a perfect way. And for this particular strategy, we'll be using it on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay guys, it works on the 5 minutes time frame on synthetic indices, not Forex market. Okay, it doesn't work on the Forex market guys. I repeat, it doesn't work on the Forex market, only on the synthetic market. Okay, so today I'll be showing some major volatility index, like volatility index 50, volatility index 75. Okay guys, and other volatility indices that this strategy actually works on. You can try it, you can backtest it before going into a live trade. So guys, let's jump in how to use it. So now on the main chart, you can see a blue moving average, and on the indicator window 1, you can actually two indicators, the alligator and the RSI. Okay, the alligator and the RSI, but the RSI is not visible. It's only the alligator that is visible. Okay, because we are only going to make use of the alligator. So now you can see this crossover right here from the main chart. I repeat, from the main chart, you can see this crossover right here. So this candle below here crossing this blue moving average, you can see it. That's the first confirmation. Then the second one is for you to wait. Okay, let this alligator cross this moving average. Okay, let this alligator cross this moving average. This alligator right here, the color of green and red. Okay, let it actually close this blue one below on the indicator window 1. Okay, you can see a perfect example of a buy here. If you want to buy, like this one right here, this is a very good clear example of what I'm trying to say. You can see right here guys, you see, that's a clear example of what I'm trying to say. Okay, you can see that at first on the main chart it crosses above, and below here on your indicator window 1 it also crosses above. That is giving you double confirmation. Okay, it gives you confidence to enter a trade. So when you follow these steps, you won't have any trouble. Okay, so that's how it actually works. So I'll be sharing the settings with you. At first, you click on this place. If you are familiar with MetaTrader 5, you know what I'm saying. So you click on this particular place right here. Let me click on it. Click on it. Then here you will see the combination of the indicators we are using. On the main chart, like I said earlier, we have the moving average, while on the indicator window 1 we have two major indicators, which are the relative strength index and the alligator. So now let me click on the one of the main chart, which is the moving average. Okay, so the parameters on the moving average here says that period is 20, then shift is 2. Guys, take note of the settings, okay, so that you won't set it wrong. The period is 20, shift 2. Method is simple, apply to close, okay. The levels, none. Time frame, all time frame. Then you can decide to choose any style, any color of your choice. Then you click on save. Then move to the indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index. Let me click on it. Then the parameters here, we have period 1. Set it to period 1. Then apply to close. Levels should be known, okay. On a normal note, this is your relative strength index. Will be giving you some kind of levels, okay, on a default mode. If it is on a default mode, it will be giving you some different kind of levels. So try and delete those levels. Remove all the levels and set it to none. Time frame, all time frame. Then on your styles, you can set it to any style that you want. Then you click on save. Okay, so the last indicator that you will be needing for this particular strategy is the alligator, which is the one of the most popular and most effective indicator. Alligator indicator, okay. Let me click on it. So now here goes the parameters. Just period 60. Take note, guys. I know on your own it might be different, okay. On Android and iOS it has different options here, but the same thing. So when you are setting your own up, you can actually look mine and set it according to what you are seeing here. So I repeat again, just period 60, just shift 8, teeth period 10, teeth shift 0, lips period 10, lips shift 1, method linear weight. I repeat, method linear weight. Apply to median price. Bracket open, HL/2 bracket close. So time frame, all time frame. Style, you can choose any color of your choice, okay. On the style, you can actually choose any color of your choice. Then teeth style, any color. Lip style, any color. Then you click on save. Make sure you save it so that it can work on your main chart, okay. Because if you don't save it, it won't work. So you need to save it for it to be effective, okay. So that's how to actually do the settings, okay. So if you set it according to what I actually showed you here, you won't have any problem, okay. You actually have what I have on my screen right here. So now let me show you another example. So this one right here, you can see this particular trade right here. This one is a selling trade, okay. If you want to enter a sell trade right here, you can see this bearish movement, this bearish one right here, okay. You can see it. So on the main chart, you see these candles moving below this moving average, and also you can see right here on the indicator window 1, you can see this alligator crossing below this blue line right here. You can see it right here crossing below it. That's a double confirmation trade, okay. So when you see these two things aligning, then you can what, enter a trade with confidence, okay. So that's the two things you have to look out for a sell trade, and it also applies for a buy trade, okay. So like this one right here, same thing. This is a bullish movement, okay. So before you buy, actually look out for these things before you take any buys, okay guys. So this is on volatility 50 index. So let me show you another pair, volatility 75 index. I'll use volatility 75 index for the second example because it's one of the most popular synthetic pair out there worldwide. So now you can see right here, okay. Remember I said zoom level 3, okay. Zoom level 3. If you don't know how to zoom it, this is how you are going to do it. Actually pin your screen, zoom it once, you see it, then again, this is the last zoom level. Then when you zoom out, like this once, that is one. Then you zoom out again, second, third. You can see it right here. So this is the third zoom level that I'm using. I repeat, third zoom level. Okay, so this particular indicator, it does not repaint except you set yours wrongly. If you set it the correct way I did here, as you can see on my screen, you won't have any problem. It won't repaint. Okay, it does not repaint. So right here on volatility 75 index, you can actually see it right here. You can see the movement. This is a bearish movement, guys. This is a bearish one. Just look at how the market fell. Look at how the market fell right here. It fell massively. Okay, very effective strategy. If you actually pinpoint and do what I actually say, is a very effective one. Okay, not that I'm saying it's 100% correct. Okay, nothing is 100%. So you have to apply those things that I actually said on this video. If you do so, it will help you in a long run. Very, very important one. Okay, guys. So if you like, and if this video gives you any important education or it educates you in any way, click on the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Thanks.